Hi, today in front of me UleFone Armor 17 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AOD feature. That's why we should open the Play Store and get the Muviz Edge application from the Play Store. That's why now, after finding the application, click to install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, tap to open the app, click to draw our apps, and now tap to Muviz Edge. Here you'll see a lot of their apps switcher, so just activate the switcher and go back to the application, then switch Edge lights to the AOD and select one from these available tabs. Click to apply, and now let's just lock the device. And we can see that the always on display option successfully activated. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.